When working with databases, it's important to perform regular maintenance tasks in order to preserve the integrity of the database. ACT is no different. So in this video, I want to show you a few tasks that you can quickly and easily perform to maintain the health and performance of your database. Each of these tasks can be found in the Tools area from the left navigation. From here, just click the Database Tools button at the top to filter out all of the other options. First, let's talk about the Check and Repair option. There are two tasks that you can perform here. The Integrity Check will perform a standard inspection of your database to search for any errors and then make any needed repairs. The Reindex task will increase your database's performance and speed by reorganizing it for quicker access. Both of these tasks are fairly routine, so let's make sure that both boxes are checked, and then I'm going to click the OK button. These tasks may take a few minutes, but when they're complete, you'll see a confirmation window like this. Just click OK, and you're all done. Next, I want to demonstrate how to lock your database. Whenever you make changes to the schema or the structure of your database, it will need to be locked first. Now, this happens automatically whenever you create or edit fields in ACT, but you can also manually lock the database if, for some reason, you don't want anyone to access it and make any changes. So to lock your database, again, go to the Tools section in the left navigation, and then click the Database Tools button at the top. From here, locate the Lock Unlock Database button and click it. This opens the Lock Database window. If anyone else is logged into your ACT account, then you'll see a screen like this. That's because you can't lock the database if anyone else is currently logged in. All logged in users will appear in the upper box. To log them out, ACT will set a countdown timer and then give them an on-screen warning, allowing them to make any final saves to their records. The lowest you can set this timer to is 3 minutes. You should provide a lock reason and then any comments in the field below just to explain to your users why they're being logged out. When you're ready to start the timer, click the Lock button. Any users logged in will immediately see a pop-up window just letting them know that they have a few minutes to save their work. They can also choose to manually log off at this point. In the background, the timer is counting down. And once the time runs out, the database will be locked and no one else will be able to access it but you. Once you're ready to unlock the database again, just return to the Lock Unlock Database button and then click the Unlock button. Finally, let's look at removing old data from the database. From the Tools area, under the Database Tools section, choose Remove Old Data. This task will help you recover space on your database and can improve performance by removing lots of unneeded data. First, check the boxes for the type of data that you want to remove. You can choose from notes, history records, cleared activities, and items on all of your Documents tabs, as well as campaign results from ACT Marketing Automation. Next, decide the date threshold for items that you want to remove. By default, ACT is going to remove everything older than 60 days, but you can change these numbers for each data type however you see fit. I'm going to delete some history records that are older than 300 days. Now click the OK button, and ACT will present you with a summary of the number of items to be removed from each of those sections. If you click the OK button again, it will proceed with the removal. Now this could take a few minutes depending on the number of items and the size of documents being removed. Once it's finished, ACT will recommend that you reindex your database, and then you can end the task. So by completing these tasks, you will increase the health of your database, and you should find that your database performance improves.